Today, this month will be on 2017 Daihatsu Gran Max 1.3 pickup box. In this scrolling full in-depth tour of the Daihatsu Gran Max. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up and let it run. It comes with white exterior with black accent with the door handles and the side mirrors. With side molding latte with color accent, fuel door, unleaded fuel only on the right side with octane number is 90. Panel interior latte with black and gray with the board the trim latte and the handles and the locks. This one not available with power door locks and the door armrests and the speakers, as you can see. It has manual seats. So let's pull the seat back and hop in. Five-speed manual transmission. Reverse. It has 50,092 kilometers on it. With fuel gauge, and the temperature and the speedometer until 180. It's power steering. So on with headlights. Starter hazards. All windows are manual. So check on the exterior. The starter right here, 13-inch LCD radio right here, with turning signal indicator on the side mirrors. Here you got your headlight right here with multi-reflector halogen with mid-light and the turning signal indicator. Black bumpers right here and the underguard, as you can see. With material box right here. You have a stop light with turn signal indicator and the red lights and the reverse light right here. So this one, as you can see. So let's pop the hood. So to open the hood, engine hood, with front hood, with the brakes, radiator, coolant, reservoir, and wiper washer. Check on the engine next. So to open the engine bay of the Daihatsu Gran Max, please open the quick like this. And then one. After that, the folding seats right here. It comes with 1.3 and 1.5 liter engine with 4-cylinder engine with manual transmission. Yes. So let's see how it sounds. Tap on the gas. The fan speed, the temperature, hazard button, and the media player right here, and the air conditioning fan. This one starts, power outlet, X-ray, the cabin light, purple console, and light console. There's a cup holder and the fish box, that's it, and the box light, that's it. So check the rear seats. So this one is a glove box, that's it, and the storage. The manual window, manual side mirror. And the armrest. No, this one speaker. So it close the door. So I hope you enjoyed in full in-depth tour of 2017 Daihatsu Gran Max. God bless you guys.